excited to be making this video and letting you guys know that I am on my way to our gender reveal party. We are so excited to be celebrating this with our friends and family on this beautiful Sunday morning. It's like just a little over 60 degrees, about mid 60s, and it has just been a beautiful day so far, and I know that it's going to just be a great day all together. Whether it's a boy or a girl, we are going to love this baby, and we are so super excited and so excited to be sharing this journey with you guys who are following us. We're so thankful for all of your support and your love, and here we go. The next clip in this video, you'll be seeing different family members of the party, and also what our baby is. So stay tuned. Okay, Nana, what do you think it is?
I think it's a girl.
Mom, what do you think it is?
I definitely really hope it's a girl.
Marshall?
I don't know.
Girl or boy? Choose.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
I'm on
Daddy, boy or girl?
Girl, hopefully. I don't know.
Shelby, is it a boy or a girl?
Boy.
What's a boy? Boy or girl?
Mom, is it a boy or girl?
Jessica, boy or girl?
Girl.
Elijah, is Aunt Faith having a boy or a girl?
Girl.
Isaiah, is it a boy or a girl? A girl. Is it a boy or a girl?
Girl.
Who else is there?
Marshall, did you ask?
Do you guys think I'm having a boy or a girl? Oh wow, that was a lot of different mixtures. Hey, Kason, is Chi-Chi gonna have a boy or a girl? A girl.
Hey, Whitney, my mom says a boy.
Oh, there's another boy vote.
No, I said girl.
Let us know right before you squeeze off.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
job.
That was so much fun.
Granddaughter number 2 on the way.
I'm like shaking right now.
Hey, Daddy, you didn't have a baby. Oh my gosh. You look like, get it.
Well, at first I thought it was blue. At first I saw blue and I was like, okay.
He didn't like it. Oh, whoa, did you see the pink? So sorry, Marshall. Girl, everybody